Dreaming of becoming a master craftsman in Canada? Want to be recognized across provinces for your exceptional skills? Then it's time to unlock your potential with the Red Seal certification. Whether you're an apprentice or a skilled tradesperson ready to challenge the Red Seal exam, this certification is your key to nationwide recognition and countless opportunities. The Red Seal program is the national standard of excellence in the skilled trades, overseen by your provincial or territorial apprenticeship authorities in collaboration with Employment and Social Development Canada. Eager to make your mark? Here's how students and workers across Canada can challenge the Red Seal exam and propel their careers forward. First, ensure you meet the criteria, such as sufficient work experience and education. Check the specific requirements with your province's apprenticeship authority. Next, apply to take the Red Seal exam through your local apprenticeship office. They'll guide you through the process, from registering to scheduling your exam date. Maximize your chance of success by studying the Red Seal's occupational standard for your trade. Consider attending prep courses or study groups designed to bolster your understanding. A practical tip: use available resources like practice exams and the Red Seal examination preparation information on redseal.ca to reinforce your confidence. And once you've aced the exam, you'll join the ranks of Red Seal certified professionals, recognized and respected across all Canadian provinces and territories. From greater job mobility to higher wages, the Red Seal certification opens doors to endless career possibilities. It's your time to shine. Embrace your future as a Red Seal certified tradesperson and build the career you've always dreamed of. Let's make it happen.